Given brief account of asexual reproduction in Ectocarpus. Asexual reproduction in Ectocarpus involves produce motile biflagellates in a specialized structure called sporangia, which are of two types: unilocular single-celled or haploid zoospores produce gametophytes, and plurilocular multicells or diploid zoospores produce diploid sporophyte. With both types found on the same plants. same plants सॉरी ना, both types found on the same plants. इसके बाद बताते हैं कहाँ से इसके बाद फिर क्या चले the new ectocarpus, individual through mitosis. ठीक, ectocarpus individual through mitosis. इसके बाद फिर क्या चाहिए, unilocular sporangia formations develop singly at the tips of short lateral branches. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोसेस the sporangial nucleus undergoes meiosis. The nucleus undergoes meiosis to produce reductions divisions, and then several mitotic divisions resulting in 32-64 haploid nuclei. ठीक, इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, zoospores. Each cells develops into haploid biflagellate zoospores, zomiospore. Germinations. The zoospores develops into a haploid, the gametophytic plant body. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, plurilocular sporangia formation. Plurilocular elongate multicellular conial structure found on the diploid sporophyte. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोसेस न हल the apical cells of branch enlarge. Cells divided to mitosis, no meiosis, forming कैसे हल vertical rows of cells. When forming vertical rows of cells when the apicals create a new 100 of cubic cells, which ऐसे ना cubic cells. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, which cubic cells है ना, cubic cells. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, zoospores. The diploid zoospore, each cells develops into diploid biflagellate zoospores, gametoospores. इसके बाद बताते हैं gametoospores ना ले, gametoospore. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, germinations. These zoospores develops into germinate to form a diploid sporophytic plant body. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, key points. Zoospore. To find zoospores, these are the sexual reproductive. These are the sexual reproductive units. ठीक ना, characterized by two flagella for movements. ठीक ना, characterized by two flagella for movement. The type of sporangia determines the ploid, haploid and diploid. इसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं, haploid and determines and detecting wherever the new plant body is haploid and sporophyte. Answer complete.